everyone, Vanda here of Raw and Well. Today, I'm here to show you what $120 got me as far as fruits and veggies, which is what we eat 100% of the time. So, raw vegan fruit and veggie haul for today for $120. Don't panic, everything's organic. All right, let's get started here. 1 bag of nectarines, 2 bags of cherry plums, which we love cherry plums. We got some peaches, 1 bag of Pink Lady apples. I got this fresh coconut, fresh coconut. That was $3.29. I only got 1 because it took me quite a few. I picked up quite a few, and they didn't seem like they had enough water in there, and some of them didn't rattle at all. So I shake it and make sure that there's plenty of water in there. So I only got 1. If it's a local market, an Amish market, and so if I like that one, then I'll go back and get some more. But I didn't want to go all out without knowing. I got 2 bags of organic cherries. Those of you that know me know that I'm a cherry lover. So when I could find them, I grab them. I got 2 bags of cotton candy grapes, 1 pint of blueberries. I think that's bigger than a pint. These were on sale, 2 for $7. So I grabbed 2 of those, and I got 2 for $7 on sale, raspberry. So got a bunch of berries. I got some apricots, and we got some of these yellow dragon fruit. So those are not organic, and neither is the coconut. So those 2 things are not organic. As far as veggies, today I got 2 things of portobello mushrooms. I got, I never do this, but I got some peeled garlic, organic. This was a splurge because, wow, are they expensive. 3 ounces of organic pine nuts, $12.99. It's quite expensive, but I really want to make a pesto, so I picked up some basil. I picked up some cilantro because we love cilantro in this house. I got some alfalfa and clover sprouts, also organic, of course, and 1 serrano pepper. And that's what $120 got us today. A nice big fruit haul. So I hope this video was helpful. This is what we'll eat on, plus what I got yesterday, which wasn't too much, just the bananas, some plums, some nectarines, some apples. Oh, and I did get these tomatoes as well, because I want to make a nice marinara sauce for the zucchini that I got yesterday. Yesterday I got lots of veggies, so this will be a nice week coming up. All right, much love to you guys. Bye for now.